We are about to see something good.
We stay up all night, make your group inside. 지금 이 순간
It's scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from out of this world, weighing in at 228 pounds, Coleman.
This is the kind of match the WWE Universe has been dreaming of, and that dream is about to become a reality.
지금은 뭐 어때 보이지 않나 쏟아지는 빛이 미친 찰나 서안에 일 있어처럼 I'm gonna make it so right 손을 뻗어봐봐 high 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 Gonna make it so right 날개를 펼쳐 날
A competitor who does not know the meaning of the word quit. He is ready for battle.
moment a crystal glass universe waiting for the moment 둘만의 공간을 넘어야 Gonna make it so right Gonna make it so right 그대로 아름답게 Let's dance one more time 꺼내 on your mind 지금 이 순간 둘만의 암흑 같은 groove 따라가 이 춤 different side of you Yeah 이제 더 이상 바라지 않아 no I know
Things are about to get good.
And his opponent from South Korea, weighing in at 220 pounds, Pretty Boy Lucky.
Just look at the swagger on display. I love it. Swagger.
Really, Saxton? You know a number of people in the back just despise this superstar.
Well, the WWE Universe clearly disagrees with you, Corey.
Oh, what else is new?
날 바라보는 눈빛 차갑더라도 서클하게 신경 안 쓸래 이리도 어지러운 해와 지독한 곳을 떠나 모두 보여줄 수 있다면 세상 온통
Always walking around with a chip on his shoulder. He's going to use that anger against his opposition.
꼭 기다려왔던 무더움을 인정해 있지 그럼에도 somewhat sweet 라리라리라라 라리라리라 절대 잊지 않을 summer dream 라리라리라라 라리라리라 있지 그럼에도 somewhat sweet 나 어쩌면
You're looking at a well-traveled superstar who has seen a lot in the ring. With experience comes confidence. There's nothing you can throw at this competitor that could faze him in the slightest. He'll be looking to utilize that wisdom in this matchup. But across the way is a man who's rededicated his focus. Someone who's been spending extra time training and scouting for his competition.
Just disrespectful.
I don't know if there's any ounce of professionalism in an attack like that. Oh, a flurry of strikes. Just going all out with every blow. Crushed with a running knee strike. Dropping the elbow.
His mind is turning. Might be close to the end.
Oof. He's taken on some damage at this point. Nothing new for him here. He's faced worse. And into the corner he goes. Kick to the body and now dragging their opponent's face right across the top rope.
Just how desperate do you have to be? Why not a fair fight, huh?
He goes for the cover. And he manages to kick out at one.
This isn't even close to over.
Drop kick.
Beautiful.
There it is. Reversal.
He avoids the contact.
What a crossbody.
Oh my, knee right to the back of the neck. Oh, he got him. Is he gonna lock this in?
Caught the arm in his chest.
And escaping the Fujiwara armbar. This superstar building incredible momentum.
Oh, I mean, I don't know how the superstar is doing it. Down and out moments ago, back in it now.
Ooh, man, what a hit.
He has to be in a world of hurt here.
And now is the time to dig deep. Taking flight.
Bang, what a splash.
He's making his move.
For the win. No, he gets the shoulder up.
Getting dangerously close to ending it all there.
Both knees into the face. Shoulders down. Is this it? Digging deep for a kick out. I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now. No one can.
Wait for it the whole time.
Somehow breaks the count immediately.
How on earth could he not keep him down for even one at this point?
Elbow drop.
Piercing. Does the official not see him removing the turnbuckle pad?
Keep your voice down.
Tagged with a punch.
Boom, what a punch.
Boom, right in the chest.
Oh, no. Look what we have here. He has no idea what's coming his way.
A rolling elbow.
Uh-oh. I wouldn't be getting up if I were him.
Oh, it's not going to be...
Uh-oh. Down into the inverted DDT.
He connects with a counter. Drop kick. Headed out of the ring, but the count is looming. And he slides him back to the mat. Going to the top rope. What's his plan?
Chips up their opponent.
Spinning toe hold. Trying to keep the hold on, but no, couldn't keep it locked in any longer. Placed against the turnbuckles.
Jumping clothesline in the corner. Finds its target.
And he just got caught good once again.
Could be getting into a dire situation soon. Ooh, jarring right hand. Wow, somersault on Brilliant. I don't think he's going to get up after that one.
Two. Oh, kicks out, kicks out.
I would have bet this was one after that last hit.
Goes to show you just never know what your opponent's capable of.
Will that be the last opportunity? Is there still enough left in these men?
And these guys are trying to prove they belong in the main event, that they are on top of the mountain here.
Big-time confidence leading to big-time matches. I love it.
Oh, what a chop. And now tying up the leg.
Straight to the knee.
Got the leg. Bang and screw. That'll tear your knee up. A wave of hard-hitting offense from him.
It's been a suffocating attack, keeping him out in front.
Oh, yeah, I like it.
It's not even Saturday night. I'm sure you do. He goes for the pin.
Could this be it?
Kicks out. He still has life.
Getting that shoulder up now is huge.
Focusing their attack on the arm and
Punch to the face. Oh, double knee face buster. Covering their opponent for the win. No, kick out at two.
This is insanity.
Did you expect anything less?
No. Is this really going to happen?
Lucky 13 is in. What a great submission.
This might just...
Couldn't fight the pain any longer. Has to tap.
Here is your winner, Pretty Boy Lucky.
This kind of win establishes him to the world.
An important win for him in this one.
A win like that proved he is not messing around.
That match was all business from him, Corey, and that worked.